Welcome back to the Zoya project. In the last episode, we gave Zoya the ability to switch between text and voice modes, but today, Zoya is about to level up. She's getting her own female voice and she's learning to speak in multiple languages: English, Telugu, Hindi, and Urdu. On top of that, she'll also read aloud every response in the background, even if you're just using text. Let's bring Zoya to life. Windsurf AI will give you 14 days free trial to unlock all premium models to use for vibe coding present. I was using Windsurf, a good and fast writer, in some time, but in some times it can also take so much time. I had already taken prompt form the ChatGPT and I was using ChatGPT for the project.
Years later. After some errors, we have successfully implemented multi-languages and it was working, and I was not showing the Zoya working. We will see how Zoya will work into a video. Last, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Codeless Craft. And now, we are implementing the command modes to Zoya, like Open YouTube, Notepad, Edge, and some. And in the multi-language, I have added 4 languages with 4 options. You can choose any one language Zoya can respond. And another feature is text mode and voice. So these also, and we will implement new features step by step, because if we do all work in single prompt, the work will be heavy loaded and you can't get the best output. So going ahead and starting the project now with new features implementation, tutorial, I was using only text due to some reasons, and please support me to bring more like these so don't misunderstand. And I was also using avatar as a narrator, so if any problems or occurs in the video, sorry for that. And these is the first time I had ever not used OBS Studio, so don't know how to set setting from next video to I will improve myself. After testing, I had found some issues and I had researched and fixed them all for these. I had wasted 1 hour and the final output is superb. I had now implementing new features to save our search results. If we add these, Zoya can save our history. Creating new .env file to save our API keys. After completed .env file creation, and I had stated testing Zoya, but you can see here some errors are coming because we have to add API key. I had forget it. Sorry. And one thing I had said, you don't show API key to anyone, but in the tutorial, sometimes API keys are covered and sometimes are they showing to keys, because every time I was changing my API keys and I don't keep API keys constant, I will always change them. And the reason I will say you in the last that Zoya was giving all outdated answers. So I had thinking that to live internet connection to Zoya, if we do it, then Zoya can perform superbly. And now it's a time to start implementing new features. And note one thing, we was using Google search engine for it because Google search can get 100 search per day. In free tier, if you want to increase for user, you want to buy with $5 to $10 at a problem, but for tutorial, I was using in free tier. I think I had doing a pretty much lag. Don't remind these all. And let's go ahead to the project. I had said we was giving Zoya internet connection. So for that, I searching for Google Cloud Project's website, and we can also call it as GCP and click on the first website. We can see here it was the GCP, and I have logged in with my Google account, and I was showing my projects on the screen, on the header of the screen. You can see select a project option. Click on it, or you want to use already created one, no problem. But I was creating new on the name of Zoya. And after press create, wait for some time for a project creating. After some time, you can see on the notifications project was created. Now click on it and you can redirect to project now on the search bar. Just type custom search API. It will come on the list. Just press on it and just enable it. After enable, you can see sidebar on sidebar. We have credentials. Tap on it and tap on create credentials and tap on API key. Now, API is generated. Now we have another process. Now open another tab on Chrome and just paste the link I will provide you in the description, or just search programmable search engine you will get on the web, and open it and name anything and choose options and copy your client ID. And note, don't show your client ID to anyone. All set now. Try once, and we getting error, so we want to fix it. And one thing, we was using vibe code. Okay. Zoya was running successful and voice is coming. Some
Hello,
little bit
I'm
late.
Zoya,
We will fix it
your
later.
AI
And
assistant.
I was asking for
How
war.
can I help you today?
2, movie collection in the text mode, but it is getting error. We can see on the screen.
We will fix it now. And note one thing I had said you for some certain reasons I was using text mode instead of voice mode from next episode. I will use
I'm
voice
having
mode
some
also.
technical
Sorry
difficulties
for
right
that.
now.
And now go ahead
Please
and
try
solve the
again in a
problem.
moment.
And now I will show you how to get free DeepSeek API key from OpenRouter website, and I had already logged in, so I was direct redirect to the homepage. And note one thing on the search bar, just type DeepSeek and you can get free and paid models and choose free model and tap on it and it will redirect you, and you can see there is an API key page, tap on it and I will redirect to another page and there you want to name it and take your keynote. One thing, API key can show only one time, you can't see it another time, so instead copy it and paste on your notepad or in the .env file.
Hello, I'm Zoya, your AI assistant. How can I help you today? I'm having some technical difficulties right now. Please try again in a moment.
After research and fixing errors, now I was back in front of Azinli's costume and now we will start our pending implementations and let's go. Here you can see Zoya will save our search history. And our logs also save here, and I had not still tested Zoya was connected. No internet or not, we will check now, and I was implemented some commands, and we will implement memory and agent mode in these episode only, and I don't talk more. I will start my projects.
Here's a list of popular I was created by Mastan Wang. He's the brilliant mind behind.
Some are working and some are getting problems and apps are not opening. We will fix it later.
I'm Zoya, your AI assistant. How can I help you today? No, I don't have memory to store. Sure. Which language would you like to switch to? Let me know, and I'll respond in that language. Created by I'll remember that. My name is Mustan. Here's what I remember about our conversations. My
I will share Zoya testing video tomorrow, and in the project I had used DeepSeek Gemini API keys for the fallback, and DeepSeek is used by Zoya to give answers, and for internet, Gemini will handle it, and I had not showed in the tutorial because we will make another full tutorial in the name of how to make Zoya from scratch with using Windsurf and ChatGPT in the future, and in the next episode, for episode 3, we will implement AgentM mode, Advanced Voice Better TTS, like 11 Labs OpenAI TTS, smoother natural sounding voice integration with more APIs, weather, news, Wikipedia, extended YouTube, Google search improvements. We will implement these all in the next episode, and in the next episode, I will provide the project source code, and if any errors are in the video in quality or some mistakes are there, I will improve it in next video. For the next video, I was targeting 100 likes and present. I have 97 sub. Can you please do 103 more sub? And please support me, guys. I was doing more hard work, but there is not best result for me. So please support Codeless Craft channel for more videos. And I had recently started second YouTube channel called Melodies Matcha. Please support for the channel also. And thank you. Stay tuned for episode 3. And I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the video. And bye-bye.